I'm delighted to be here today with Theo Clark, our MP for Stafford, who's been instrumental in developing the Mental Health Covenant. Theo, thank you.
I'm so delighted to be here, Neil, at St George's Hospital in Stafford. We've just launched this morning the Stafford Mental Health Network Covenant, which came about in lockdown in the start of the pandemic, where I brought together different stakeholders on mental health to talk about how we can help residents and constituents in Stafford. And I'm delighted today that a number of organisations have come today to launch the Covenant to really champion and raise awareness of mental health in Stafford. And today on my website going live, we'll have a mental health hub, which will have a link to all the different services that residents can use, which we hope will be helpful. And we're really here to help and promote and to raise awareness of mental health in Stafford and to make sure that residents get the support that they need.
I'm Councillor Anne Edgeler and I'm a Staffordshire County Council mental health champion, and I'm here this morning to help with the launch of Stafford Mental Health Covenant. And mental health is so important, and I think we're starting to realise that now through central governments as well, realising that mental health is just as important as physical health. And with the last 2 years that we've gone through, it's so important that we pick up people with mental health and help them as much as we can, because long term they're going to suffer for a lifetime if we don't help them as soon as we possibly can.
My name is Ravi Bakri. I've been involved with the trust for the last 10-11 years. I chaired community engagement group and I was the lead governor. I've always been very closely associated with mental health issues in my daily job. And now I have taken it to another level where I am working within our local communities to raise the profile of mental health, because mental health and physical health, they go hand in hand.
Good morning, my name's Jeremy Lowe. I'm the National Farmers Union County Advisor for Staffordshire. I was very pleased to get involved with the Mental Health Network when I was invited by Theo Clark. Mental health in rural communities is an incredibly important thing. The farming community faces a number of issues: isolation, financial issues, dealing with the weather, and things like HS2, major infrastructure projects coming through farms. So there is a real need out there to work with those communities.
Hi, my name's Will Morris. I'm the Director of House and Bread, and for us, support around mental health is absolutely critical to break that vicious circle of people's lives.
Hi, I'm Captain John Canner. I'm based at MOD Stafford, and we're here today supporting the Mental Health Network and the covenant signing for Stafford Mental Health Network. Mental health is extremely important to all military personnel, but in a broader aspect, we also look after the families and the dependents of our personnel, and they access the services here in Stafford. So that ability to join the networks together to be able to support each other is a fantastic opportunity.
Hi, I'm Anne Ross, Locality Officer for Support Staffordshire for Stafford, and I've been attending today the Stafford Mental Health Roundtable launch of their covenant, and just a little bit about our organisation, how we support mental health. We support our voluntary groups around mental health, and we are, at the moment, we've just won the award for the Thrive at Work for health and well-being. We have a dedicated worker that supports the Staffordshire Community Mental Health Transformation Plan, and amongst that we have various networks. We're just launching the new Dementia Action Alliance, which is the Dementia Friendly Communities network again, which was going to be launched sometime in the spring. So that's some of the work that we're currently doing as voluntary in the voluntary sector.